Hello folks, so unfortunately is the end of life for this hard drive. This is the first hard drive that failed on me in the most awful way, but of course I have backup because I learned from my past mistakes. So I never experienced a loss until now when it comes to hardware, because all the times I have backups, everything is alright. So yeah, it's very unfortunate. I mean, I had, I think, 3 failures for 3 SSD, but it was on a work related laptop. It was the company laptop, so it was not my fault. But now currently this is my fault because I didn't change it when it should be changed. So as you can see here, it's dated May 2010, so 14 years ago. I didn't have this since it was new. I think I bought it in 2017. The thing is, the previous owner didn't bought it as new also, so this came from a repair shop, because I bought a refurbished laptop. So I mean, it was not non-working laptop. I just needed some components from that laptop, and it came as a full. It didn't have a working display and so on. So I know that this came from a repair shop, because here when you buy refurbished things, or but yeah, let's say refurbished. So if you want to buy, let's say, a refurbished laptop from a company that sells this type of things, so basically maybe scrapes older ones and build new ones from parts. I mean, not new, but you get the point. So if this happens, so you buy refurbished things, they add a sticker on the parts that can be changed. So on HDDs, on memory sticks, on everything that can fail and can be replaced, it's just a safety measure for them. So let's say I will buy a refurbished laptop, I will come home, I will switch the hard drive with one which is had bad sectors or something like that, with one that doesn't work properly, and I'm going back to the store and say, hey, it's not working, I want my money back. So basically I'm keeping a known working hard drive for nothing, because I will get my entire sum back. So this is why they add stickers. You can't peel them off. I mean, you can, but it breaks in very small pieces, so it's very difficult. It doesn't worth the time spent on taking this off. That's why I kept them. As you can see here, I tried to peel it, but it's not going off, so it's not worth the time. So as you can see, this was added sometime in 2015. I'm not sure the month, I'm not sure the date, but for sure it was 2015. So it was made in 2010. It was sold as a refurbished piece in 2015, and in 2017 it came to me, and then I started to use it, I think mainly on 2021, as one of my hard drives in my media center, my media server on Plex. So this particular one was storing just one series that had, I think, 11 seasons, because it's a small one. As you can see, it has 250 gigabytes. So yeah, since last night it started to sound really, I'm not sure what is the word, when it hits basically with the reader's head, the metal part, so it's making that squeaky sound. So yeah, this is the end of it. I just want to check how much did it live. So it's basically 14 years. but I want to see how much time it was on just before throwing it away. I mean, I don't think I will throw it away because I have let's say like a collection of hard drives that I replaced and I don't use them anymore. It's just a collection. I am not using them for anything. So let's see. It should take 1 minute or so just to plug it in. I think you can hear it. Yeah, so unfortunately this is how it sounds. Let's see, because somewhere I should have the HD Sentinel, which should be able to help us. Yeah, this one is not even connecting anymore. Let me try again. No, I don't think we have any chance to see how much it worked. Okay, well, it is what it is. So 14 years, mainly, let's say 3 years of constant running into my server, because since it's stored just one series, the fact is that it's a series that I play every night when I want to sleep, and I can't because I know all the episodes, so I don't have to pay attention. So I basically sleep while watching the same thing over and over again. Yeah, I know it's weird, but it's a comedy series called Modern Family, if you want to check it out. So yeah, 3 years of constant running, I mean, and also if you think 14 years since it was made until it failed, well, I think it was dirty. 14 years since basically left the factory until it permanently broke and it can be used anymore. Well, I hope that these new drives will last 14 years, but I don't think this is possible. So yeah, this was just a short update about this little guy that went to heaven. Please subscribe to the channel. I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. Cheers.